I've just finished a project for VolunteerNow, and I just want to share with you what I have done. I found this project through catchafire.org, and I highly recommend that site if you're looking to get some volunteer experience. I was tasked with creating an online training for how to use the VOLY.org volunteer management platform. They were not able to meet the training needs that they currently are getting from new users, so they needed something online where they could supplement or replace their current instructor-led trainings. I worked with the current trainer. She gave me their PDF guides that she uses, and I worked from those. We created 4 levels, or I created 4 levels based on the 4 guides that she shared, creating opportunities, managing volunteers, utilizing the fans, which is how they would contact people interested in volunteering, and how to track volunteer hours. Within each level, there are several missions or lessons, and in each lesson I created a video. For the video, I wrote the script, I created the voiceover, I made screencast recordings and designed slides, and then edited all of that together into
Welcome to the
concise
VOLY
video.
training platform. This first level will cover everything you need to know about creating a volunteer opportunity for your school or organization.
So the video will quickly go through the objectives or what we're going to cover, walk them through what they need to do for this particular lesson, and then review what we've covered and give them a mission. So the mission for this lesson was to log into the platform and add a contact person and a location. But for some lessons, the mission was a little more complex. Like for this one, I created an articulate storyline file to help them practice how to set repeating opportunities in the platform. So we talked about the difference between one-time or repeating opportunities and when you might use each. And then I created some scenarios to help them practice actually designing or actually creating those repeating opportunities. So here we need to repeat every day of the week and success. So there's several scenarios there that they walk through. In some levels, it was not really conducive to needing a something interactive like that. Sometimes writing was better. So for this one, it was talking about how to describe your project. So here I asked for an example and a non-example of a good description for the project. Throughout the project, I was being sure to submit the materials to the stakeholder and the current trainer to get their approval before continuing, and of course maintaining some very open communication with them to let them know of my progress and sharing deliverables along the way so that they could approve but also just see the progress that I'm making. I built the whole course here in MyQuest, and they will be using that for their new users to train them and hopefully alleviate a lot of the stress off of their current trainer who was just not able to keep up with the in-person training requests.